Mr. Yash Vadera will be remembered forever. To dear Yash, you celebrated the life with dignity. The heart oozes out utter pain in the memory of my friend, philosopher and guide, late Shri Yashpal Vadera, a true philanthropist, a human being par excellence and a king of the Vadera family. I am sure and confident that every person who knew Mr. Vadera will confirm that he was a person with a difference. He made a huge difference to the millions of lives in his life cycle. Therefore, his contribution to society is mighty and is an inspiration to his family, friends and acquaintances. I can proudly say that he was a gifted personality who illuminated many lives before departing for the heavenly abode. He was having the ability to navigate difficult situations, to deliver results by connecting with the people. Mr. Vadera, a DAV stalwart, will be remembered till eternity in the world of education for establishing in the memory of his father, late Shri Desraj Vadera DAV College, Philor, DAV Public School, a spiritual Hanuman temple and Gaushala at his hometown, Philor, Punjab, India. Apart from this, his liberal donation to other DAV institutions caught the professional lives of thousands, millions of students in the length and the breadth of the country. Gleaming deeper, his other noteworthy contribution include financial and medical aid to the needy people at Mental Hospital, Amritsar. Organization of rural games at Philor, funding for music concerts to revive traditional folk music of India and promotion of young talent, especially the famous Bollywood singer Mr. Sukhvinder Singh, to quote a few. My association with my mentor Mr. Vadera is more than 40 years young. Now, I have always tried to live with his philosophy, which he used to say every time that everything changes in the world, but the truth never changes. Being the founder principal at DAV College, Philor, I was fortunate to have closely worked with my role model, whereby I learned some of his most important life lessons. This is where I got a chance to understand his holistic vision of existing in the world. I could always see a distinct kind of balancing in his personality. He was an ideal family man, a true karma yogi and a staunch philanthropist. To my understanding, this is a rare combination for the mortal beings, which he has been able to translate with the association of his wife, Mrs. Veena, sons, Mr. Kamal, Mr. Arjun, daughter, Mrs. Anjala, brothers, Mr. Ashok, Mr. Anil Vadera, Pinky, and sister Mrs. Promela Saigal and Mrs. Shashi Dheer. On December 12, 2021, DAV College Managing Committee held a meeting and condoled the sad demise of one of its stalwart, Mr. Yashpal Vadera. Before I conclude, I affirm and appeal one and all to his members of the family, always uphold his philosophy and spirit to benefit humanity eternally. Our tears are like that recommendations to the Almighty God to lay this noble soul in peace for heavenly abode. You are no more in this world, but we know you are with us wherever you will be. Our heartfelt homage to you, sir, and I recite the following lines for you, which truly, you see, you have followed in your lifetime. The lines are by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. These lines are, the heights by great men were reached and kept, were not attained by sudden flight, but they, while their companions slept, were toiling upward in the night. One more poet I want to quote for you, and these lines are fully for you, sir. Woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, miles to go before I sleep. We miss you, dear यश। और अंत में मैं एक श्रद्धांजलि के रूप में उनको कुछ शब्द कहना चाहता हूँ अपनी इंडियन लैंग्वेज में। छा गया है अंधेरा महफिल में, आपके जाने के बाद हजारों चिराग जगाने होंगे हमें रोशनी के लिए, हजारों चिराग जगाने होंगे हमें रोशनी के लिए। मिस यू डियर, मिस यू डियर, मिस यू डियर।